The space, an extreme place, endless, despite man's attempts to discover it, understand and colonize it, it still remains in many aspects a mystery. Pioneered by many scientists and researchers' efforts, though, great steps forward have been taken. Agronomic research, for instance, has made it possible to grow plants in outer space in soilless cultures. With such a technique, also known as hydroponics, plants can be grown in extreme places as the International Space Station, where the best conditions for the recycling and the reuse of vital resources with bioregenerative techniques are being studied. The Enea Laboratory of Biotechnology, in the framework of the BioExtreme project, co-funded by the Italian Space Agency, is investigating the antioxidant potential of edible plants, not only as dietary supplements, but also as a source of antimicrobial agents. The goal is to reproduce the healthiest possible environment inside the space station and maintain astronauts' general health. It is important to strengthen their immune system against terrestrial microbial communities imported into the orbital space station, which may represent a serious threat in such confined space. In that framework, Enea is also researching microtome, a small species of tomato grown for decorative purposes, but whose intrinsic characteristics and habit fit well for a space garden. A major objective of the researcher is to develop a nadotype, a new specimen that can cope with hard extraterrestrial conditions, such as microgravity, cosmic radiation, and electromagnetic fields. But still, from this genetic recombination, it will be possible to grow plants that synthesize large quantities of antioxidant substances, like the anthocyanins. Also called molecules antidote, they are commonly found in black fruit and useful to contrast aging. That is not all, however, because plants and roots are a good source of various types of proteins with well-known pharmacological activities. Some in vitro root cultures able to function as natural bioreactors are currently being studied since they can synthesize high added value molecules such as peptides, antibodies, and immunostimulants. With sugar, simple salt, and minerals, such molecules can even make tissue grow. Those roots are also resistant to high levels of gamma and proto-radiation of about 10 gray. They keep growing even after doses that would be lethal to most living cells. Today, space farmers have laid down the first roots. There are new discoveries on the horizon.